This was using nodal analysis. Up to here, solved 12% using meta analysis. Here we will solve a question using nodal analysis. Okay. Here the nodal voltages V1 and V2. This is node 1, node 2, voltage V1 and V2 given. First of all, before applying nodal analysis, we will assume no branch current. In the branch, the current flowing which we will assume. So let here given already current flowing in this direction. Okay, but here does not given current flowing in which direction. So current flowing in, we assume current flowing in V1 to this is a reference node. This is our reference node. The potential of a reference node is always 0. Okay. And in this branch, let current flowing in this direction. Here let current flowing in this direction. Here already given current flowing in this direction. Yes or no? We are in nodal analysis. We studied the entering current is taken as positive and the leaving current taken as negative. Or entering current equals to leaving current. So applying solution. Applying KCL node KCL at node current entering should equals to current leaving or current entering minus current leaving equals to 0. So here entering current in node 1 is this one 3.19 entering current, leaving current. How much current is leaving? The current flowing. Apply KCL at node 1. Okay. Here 3 ampere is entering and remaining 2 currents leaving. And what are the remaining 2 currents? We know the current flowing in a resistor is equal to the potential difference across the resistor divided by the value of a resistor. Okay. Here the potential difference is this is V1, this is 0. This is 0. So we don't know what is the value of V1, but V1 something which is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. Also V1 is greater than V2. Also greater than V2. Assume. This is our assumption. Assume current flowing in V1 to V2 means V1 should be greater than. V1 should be greater than. After simplification, after getting it may be V2 greater than V1 lesser than V2. But our assumption is V2 less than V1 or V1 greater than V2. As in mesh analysis, we are assuming I1 flowing clockwise, I2 flowing clockwise. After getting in some questions, we get I1 minus something. Minus something means I1 flowing anti-clockwise. I1 flowing anti-clockwise. Okay. Here we assume V1, V2 and V1 greater than V2. Okay. Apply. So 3.1 ampere entering minus this current leaving V1 minus 0 by 2 current leaving. Again this current also leaving. This current is minus V1 minus V2 by 5. Okay, which is equals to 0. This one. Take LCM 10. Taking LCM 10. Here 31 minus 5 V1. Taking LCM 10 will see here. 31 minus 5 0. Then 0 by something or 0 into something 0. So we don't write this. Then this is minus plus into minus minus. This is 2V1. This is minus into minus plus 2 V2 equals to 0. Yes or no? If I multiply cross multiplication, if I multiply 10 with 0, it will become 0. So simplify this. This is -5 -2 minus 7v1, yes or no? Plus 2v2, yes or no? Plus 31 equals to 0, yes or no? I simply write this minus 7v1 plus 2v2 equals to minus 31 equals to, yes or no? Again applying KCL as a node 2. Applying KCL as node. Here this current entering, this current is V1 minus V2 by 5. V1 minus V2 by 5 enter, and remaining two currents leaving. This is minus V2 by 1 leaving, and this current value is minus of minus 1.4 equals to 0. Minus of minus 1.4. Here taking LCM 5, V1 minus V2 minus 5 V2. This is minus minus plus, yes or no? Plus 7 equals to 0. Okay. 1.4 into 5 plus 7, which equals to V1 minus 6 V2 equals to minus 7 equation. Okay. From equation 2. From equation 2, I can write V1 equals to 6 V2 minus 7, yes or no? Putting V1 value in equation 1. Putting V1 value in equation 1. Equation 1 is minus 7. The V1 value is 6 V2 minus 7. Yes or no? Plus 2 V2 equals to minus 31. Yes? Right. 7 into 6 42 minus 42 V2, 7 into 7 minus 49 plus 2 V2 equals to minus 30. Yes or no? Yeah. This is minus 42 plus 2 minus 40 V2 equals to, this side take to right side, this will becomes plus minus 31 plus 49 equals to minus 31 plus 49, which is equals to plus 18. Yes or no? So V2 equals to 18 by minus 40, which equals to minus 9 by 20. 9 by 20. This much of value. So V1, putting this value, V1 equals to 6 into minus 9 by 20 minus 7. Okay. This is minus 54 by 20 minus 7. This is minus 54 minus 140 divided by 2. This equals to minus 197 by 2. Okay. V1 value this much, V2 value this much. Okay. In this question, the question answer, the voltages, nodal voltages, V1, V2. This is node 1, this is node 2. Okay. Simply apply KCL. KCL are node. So here current already entering given. We assume in this resistor current flowing this direction and here current flowing right direction. So entering current positive 2. So here totally resistance of this branch is 7 plus 1, 10. I can write it. This is resistor I can replace with it. One resistor of 10 ohm. Yes or no? So this total current flowing minus of V1 by 10 I can write. V1 minus 0 by 10 which is V1 by 10. So here the total current flowing minus V1 minus V2 by 15 which equals to 0. Taking common 30 LCM. Taking 30, this is 60 minus 3 V1 minus 2 V1 plus 2 V2 equals to 0. Okay. This can again I write minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 V1 plus 2 V2 equals to minus 60 equals to 1. Here current already marked in this diagram. Here already given. Here left this is flowing downward. Okay. So V1 minus V2 by 15 entering plus 4 ampere entering, and this current is leaving. So this current is V2 by 5. So taking 15 LCM, V1 minus V2 plus 60 minus 3V2 equals to 0. Then write it. V1 minus 4V2 equals to minus 60. Equals to minus 60. Okay. So, question 1 I can write minus 5V1 plus 2V2 equals to minus 60. Yes or no? This is 60. Equation 2 into 5. This is equal to 5V1. Yes. Here minus 20 V2. Here multiply 5 into 60 minus 300. Yes or no? So add these two equations. Here minus item plus item cancel. Here minus 20 plus 2 minus 18 V2 equals to minus 360. Yes or no? So minus minus cancel. So similar V2 equals to 360 by 80, which equals to 2. So V2 equals to 2. V2 equals to 2. Okay. V1 from equation 2. From equation 2. V1 equals to minus 60 plus of 4 V2. Yes or no? Which equals to minus 60 plus 4 into 20, which equals to 21. So V1 equals to also 21. Both voltages are same. If both voltages are same, this is our question. This was find out V1 and V2. If another extend our question, if the question asks, what is the value of current flowing in 15 ohm resistor? This current flowing 15 ohm resistor is asked. So current flowing 15 ohm, I will see V1 minus V2 by 15. Yes or no? So V1 20 minus 20 by 15. 0 by something 0 only. So I equals to 0. I equals to 0. Okay. That means see this current 2 ampere flowing only 10 ohm resistor, and this current 4 ampere flowing this current 2 ampere flowing only this one, only through 10 ohm, and this current flowing only 5 ohm resistor. There is no current flowing in 15 ohm resistor. Okay.